Hello friends, my name is Ramru Prajapati.
I will discuss about the project that I created during my internship with Webstack Academy. First of all, I would like to thank Webstack Academy for providing me this amazing opportunity, and also Richa ma'am, who was my mentor. During the internship, I learned how to create a dynamic website using MERN technology. So, first of all, I will take you all through this PPT that covers various aspects of my project. HomelyHub, a modern accommodation solution. The project HomelyHub aims to provide a seamless and modern alternative to traditional accommodations. With its user-friendly interface and top-notch amenities, it promises an unparalleled experience for both hosts and guests. Overview of the project. Platform description. HomelyHub is a web application for renting vacation homes and accommodations with features like user authentication, listing management, booking system, and payment integration. OnlyHub offers a seamless experience for both hosts and guests in the rental marketplace. User experience focuses on it focuses on intuitive UI UX for both guests and hosts to ensure a effortless experience. Users can easily search for listings based on location, dates, and preferences, with detailed descriptions and photos available. The platform offers secure authentication and a streamlined booking process, ensuring a convenient and enjoyable experience for both hosts and guests. So let's talk about features. User profile management. User authentication and validation is provided for seamless user experience. Listing accommodations. Accommodations of different varieties in prominent cities of India are provided for a diversity of options. Booking and reservation system. An easy and hassle-free booking and reservation system is added in the web application to uplift user experience. Payment integration. A safe and secure payment method is integrated in the web app. Goals of internship: hands-on experience, gaining practical knowledge in building a full-stack application using the MERN stack, understanding architecture, comprehending the architecture and design considerations behind a scalable web application like HomelyHub, implementing best practices, understanding and following industry best practices in web development. Brief project requirements. The HomelyHub project requires a user-friendly interface with seamless navigation, secure payment processing, efficient property listing management, and intuitive search functionality. Additionally, the platform should support various property types and provide a hassle-free booking experience for users. Architecture and design. Front-end architecture. Implement a modular and component-based architecture for the front-end using React.js. Organize components into logical containers such as pages, layouts, components, and services. Utilize design patterns like containers, presentational components for better separation of concerns. Backend architecture. Structure the backend application using the MVC, model view controller pattern, or similar architectural patterns we can follow. Separate concerns by dividing the application into modules responsible for handling users, listings, bookings, etc. Use middleware for cross-cutting concerns like authentication, logging, uh, 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 error handling, etc. Database design. Design a schema for MongoDB that reflects the application's data model. Normalize or denormalize the data based on access patterns and performance requirements. Utilize indexing for efficient querying and aggregations. Consider sharding and replication for scalability and fault tolerance. Brief about full stack web development and MERN stack. Full stack web development involves building both the front-end and back-end components of web applications. It encompasses front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, back-end languages such as Node.JS and database management. MERN stack comprising MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js is a popular JavaScript-based framework for full-stack development. MongoDB stores the data. Express.js facilitates backend development. React.js enables building dynamic user interfaces, and Node.js powers server-side logic. MERN offers a unified JavaScript ecosystem for efficient development, code reuse, and scalability, making it a preferred choice for building modern web applications. Implementation details. Front-end development. Use React.js for building the front-end UI components. Utilize libraries like React Router for client-side routing and Redux for state management. Backend development. Build a RESTful API using Node.js and Express.js to handle CRUD operations for listings, bookings, users, etc. Implement middleware for authentication and authorization. Database. Design a MongoDB database schema to store user information, listings, bookings, reviews, etc. Ensure data consistency and integrity through appropriate indexing and schema design. Authentication and authorization. Use JWT, JSON Web Tokens for user authentication and session management. Implement password hashing and salting for secure user authentication. Payment gateway integration. Integrate a third-party payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal for processing transactions securely. Lessons learned and future improvements. Growth. Continuous learning and growth is essential for personal as well as professional development. Innovation. Embracing innovation leads to improved efficiency and competitive advantage. Strategic planning. Strategic planning ensures long-term success and adaptability to market changes. Continuous improvement. Commitment to continuous improvement fosters excellence and customer satisfaction. Conclusion. HomelyHub, the modern accommodation solution, was successfully completed during the Check internship at WSA, Webster Academy. The experience reinforced full-stack web development skills and provided valuable insights into the development process. Overall, overall, it was a great experience as a web developer intern at WSA. I learned to avoid some common mistakes that a developer can do, like not saving our files continuously and running npm start command in the wrong directories. These all are very common mistakes that we as a developer can do. So, So overall, thanks WSA. So now I will show you the project that I made during my internship. This is a website that displays various accommodations that the users can book their favorite places that they want to visit and according to the facilities they want, like maximum number of guests kitne honge, like booking slot, destinations. On the top of this tab you can see, well, this is the title of the project, and this is the icon of the project, and this localhost colon 3000 indicates that the project is running on a local server and at the port number 3000. Basically, this port number is a React port number by default, and you can see this HomelyHub icon. Basically, whenever I will click on this icon, it will redirect me to this page. That is a home page, and this is the search bar that the users can search accommodations according to their preferences. Like as I mentioned, destinations like where Delhi, Mumbai, and this is the filter option. We will come to it later on, and this is the user logo. If I click on it, like this is indicating that the user is not logged in yet. We will log in it, and these are the accommodations. And this is the pagination concept. This helps to divide 12 accommodations per page for better user experience. Like on this page, there are 12 accommodations, but these are not all the accommodations. If I go on this, so here these are, here there are more accommodations on the second page. So this is the pagination concept. This footer indicates that this project is made under WSA rights, and now I will show you the user authentication part. If I click on this icon, this is showing me to add my login credentials. But let us create a new user. Let the name be John. Email john@gmail.com. Password. Let me confirm the password. Phone number, like if I click on this register, now this is showing me the toast. This is the React toast indicating that the user is logged in successfully. Now the user is logged in, and when I created the account, the user got automatically logged in. Let me log out it, and now I will again log in using the email ID and password that I entered during the registration. John at the rate. Okay, so this is showing me the user has logged successfully. So this is my account option, where user can see his or her details like name, email address, phone. This is the avatar that the user can change. How? And there is an option that edit profile. If I click on it, now this is showing me that I can change my name or phone number, or I can add avatar. Let me add an avatar. This is indicating that the mesh size should be less than 20 KB. If it will be more than 20 KB, then it will not be updated. Okay, so now you can see that Avtar has been updated here and also here. So this is the edit profile feature, and this is the change password feature. Like if I want to change my previous password, so I can change here. So you have to enter the password that you entered during your registration and login. Now enter the new password that you want to set. Confirm it. Update password. Now you can see the password has been updated. Toast is here. So now if you again go to logout and then login with the new password, then you can see that you will be logged in. So this is the user authentication part. So now when I click on any accommodation, it will show me the whole details of this accommodation. Like user can see another images and description. These are all images, and this is the main address of this destination. Uh, like this is the street address, and this is city, this is pin code, this is state, and these are images. If I click on this, it will load more images from this accommodation. And this is the description of this accommodation. Like maximum number of guests are 8. Like it will not allow more more than 8 number of guests. What this place offers. These are the these are amenities that this place will offer you: Wi-Fi, free parking, washing machine, AC, and this is the map location of this accommodation, like where it is actually located, so that user can track this hotel or accommodation. This is the extra info about this accommodation, and this is the booking form. Like if user like this accommodation and you want to buy this place, so this is the price per night. Like for how many days the user want to stay on this accommodation. So this is the price per night for this, and the start date. As you can clearly see that these dates are not available. Why? Because at the time of recording, it is 27 March, and so this is obvious that these dates will not be available now for booking. So it will start from here only. So let me start from 27 March, and this is asking me for end date, like how many nights you want to buy this place. So as you can see, now this is showing me book this place for rupees 5600. Why? Because 2800 was the price for one night, and I am selected for 2 nights, so 5600. Number of guests, they should not be more than 8, as it is clearly mentioned here that maximum number of guests can be 8 only. So let me enter 7. Full name John. Phone number. Book this place. Now you can see that it is asking my card number, card expiry, card CVV. So now I am entering this card number 4242. Basically, this card number is the card number that is used by the developers This is a public card number that the developers use, and card expiry, card CVC, pay 5600. So now you can see that it has navigated me to this page, the slash user slash booking page. Here it is showing me my bookings, and I bought this place only, so this is showing me this. If I click on it, like it is showing me that booking information was 2 nights, and from this date to this date, the total price is this, and the image is now. So this is all about the accommodation details. Now let me show you the my accommodations page, where the users can add their own accommodations. Like let me add so to save the time, I have added the details already. Let me explain you what I have added. This is the name of the hotel. This is the address, where the like area, city, state, and pin code. Photos. Like here, it has mentioned that you should add minimum 5 images. Otherwise, it will not consider this field to be filled. So I have added 5 images. Like you can simply go on online and you simply copy the link address and paste it here and add them. Or you can upload the photo also. You can have the description of the hotel, and property type, like it is already hotel, room type room only, and these are the amenities that this hotel will provide: Wi-Fi, kitchen, free parking. Although it can provide this also, but let me add only these amenities. You can leave this field as it is not mandatory field. This is optional. Check-in time, check-out times, and mass time. So we have both check-in time. Suppose it is this, and check-out time is this. Mass guest 6 and price per night 3000. Let me save the changes. So you can clearly see that I have added my accommodation, like same check-in time, same check-out time that we have added, name of the hotel, address, maximum number of guests. So this accommodation has been added. So it should also show in the property list. Let me go to the home page. Let me go on the second page. Now as you can see that this accommodation is showing here. If I will click on this accommodation, so it is showing me the details of this accommodation, like the images that I have added are showing here. This is the address, and this is the description, maximum number of guests, booking form, and if you want, then you can book it also from here. So now I want to show you the last thing. This is the search bar. As you can see, to select the preferences that user want, Like if you hover over it, you can see that it is showing me the accommodation name, state, and price per night. So accordingly, user can enter like which state he wants to visit. So like enter Goa and search. So it will show only the properties that belong to Goa. Okay, and if I want to select from start date to end date, like let me select 27 to 29. Like this is the slot that user wants to book that place. Now if you can clearly observe, Manar farmhouse accommodation is not showing here. Why? Because earlier we have booked that place for this time slot only, 27 to 29 March. So it is not showing here. Accordingly, maximum number of guests. If I enter this, so it will show me only those accommodations whose maximum number of guests are 6. This is the filter option. Like you can set the price range of the accommodation. Like let me set to 3000. As you can see that it was moved to 3000. Property type you can select, home type you can select. Let me select Wi-Fi as amenity and apply filters. So it will show me only those accommodations where these filters are applicable that I have applied. If I want to remove these filters, I can also do that. Just simply click on the clear button and apply filters. So now it will show me all the accommodations irrespective of the preference. So this is the whole project, and I want to thank WSA for providing me this opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Ramrup Prajapati.